And thanks to Haiti's debt, they achieved their greatest profits for the entire decade of the 1920s. One of the commanders of the American Armed Forces in Haiti was General Smedley Butler, a mercenary at the service of international finance, with a background in destabilizing foreign nations. His written memoir entitled War is a Racket was published in 1935, and in it he makes some shocking declarations. I spent 33 years and 4 months on active duty, and during that period I spent the majority of my time as a hired hand for the business world, for Wall Street, for the bankers. Simply put, I was a racketeer, a gangster working for capitalism. I helped to make Haiti and Cuba a congenial place for the men of National City Bank to do business and make profit.